Hello guys, and welcome to this new Excel tutorial. In this video I'm going to learn about drop down in Excel, where we are going to create the Excel sheet, as you can see in here, where a user first selects a property type. As you can see here, we have villa, apartment or office, and the second drop down automatically updates to show only the locations available for that type. To do that, we need first to create three different lists: villa list, apartment list and office list. Then we are going to use the data validation in order to create our dropdown, right? We start with the villa list, we select all of them, formulas, define name, and here we call it villa. Okay. Second thing is apartment. And third one, office. Okay, now we click on B3, we go to data, we have here, as you can see, data validation, we select list, and for the source we have either villa, apartment or office. Okay, and here we write equal to and direct function B3. Alright, so here when we select villa, we have only the locations where we have the villa. Same thing if we select the apartment, we have only apartment, and same thing if we select office, we have only the locations of the office. So that's it for the dependent drop down in Excel. I hope that you have learned new things. Thanks for watching and see you in next tutorial.